Mahabharata, a literary work of epic proportions, is the story of the Great War of India, is the story of a family feud that destroyed millions of lives. It is a story every child in India grew up to. iBharatha is an attempt at building a digital portal into the world of the Mahabharata for the whole world to experience the brilliance of the great Indian epic. The library is the first screen that welcomes a user into iBharatha. It contains the 18 books that make up the epic, all arranged in a scrollable list that a user can browse through. With a clear overview and blurbs that appear on selection of each book, the user choice is made easier. On selection, the user can tap on the book to use the application independently or flick it towards a nearby television to play the corresponding episodes from the TV series on Mahabharata. The navigation screen is, as the name suggests, a means to navigate through the different story beats of each episode. This panel is in sync with the TV if the TV is on. The story beats are easy to browse through like a book. Any progress in the story on the iPad or the TV will update the other screen automatically. The key feature on the screen is the ability to switch across three versions of the story. The three icons at the top of the screen may be thought of as a gateway into the minds of different characters in the story. So, if a user looks at one scene from three different points of view, the experience of reading the epic becomes more engaging and allows users to be more immersed in the narrative. iBharatha also contains a character map, which is a well laid out and structured hierarchy of all important characters in the epic. Their relationships are mapped out to remove any difficulty a person new to the story may have in remembering them. Also, there is a way to learn more about each character by tapping on them and summoning a brief biography. The last and probably the most engaging feature of the application is the map of life. It is, in summary, a spatio-temporal trace of the lives of all key characters on a map of India. Imagine being able to live through a character's life in 1 minute and learn his or her life story. As Draupadi, the heroine, moves across the map of the country, her story gets updated on the sidebar for the user to read through later. With these features tying in the reader or the viewer strongly to the narrative, iBharatha allows them to not just experience the story but ensures that the user gets a perspective of different characters and a gateway into Indian culture itself.